This is what is going to make the difference for you. This is what is going to make Amlactin body lotion, Alpha Renewal body lotion, Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. This is what is going to make it work for you 100%. So if you have been using Amlactin body lotion, Alpha Renewal body lotion, or the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash, and it seems like it is not working for you, like the reason why you bought this particular body lotion, you are not seeing the effect, you're not seeing the result. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why and also how to use this product effectively to actually give you a very good result. Now, one of the reasons why people use Amlactin body lotion, Alpha Renewal body lotion, the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash is for body pigmentation, especially for caramel skin people, dark skin people, or people that don't want to go through the lightning route when it comes to clearing some body pigmentation. But a lot of people say, oh, it is not working, the pigmentations are still there, the chicken skin is still there. Now, first of all, let's talk about what these body lotions really do for your skin, because one of the issues that a lot of people actually have is buying products because they actually saw that product being overhyped and they didn't know that that product was actually overhyped. You are sold that a product is going to do this for you, is going to brighten you, is going to lighten you, is going to remove this discoloration, is going to even out your skin tone, is going to remove dark spot, is going to remove chicken skin, is going to remove all of those things, keratosis, pilaris, and all of those things. You have been sold a lot of, things, but you now buy that product and it is not exactly doing that thing for you. Now, let me tell you how this particular product work. Now, I'm going to talk about the body lotions before I now bring everything together with the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. Now, Alpha Renewal body lotion, a lot of people use it and say, oh, it lightens their skin, it brightens their skin. Even Amlactin, a lot of people swear by using Amlactin to lighten up and brighten up their skin. A lot of people swear by these body lotions that it did this and it did that for them. Now, I am not negating the fact that these body lotions can do these particular things, but body lotions will work differently based on who is using that particular body lotion, based on what is happening to the person's skin, based on the person's lifestyle, based on additional products the person is using it with, based on the person's skin type, based on the person's skin sensitivity, based on the person's skin complexion. A lot of things are being considered when a product is either working or not working for somebody. Now, these two lotions basically are exfoliating body lotions. Lactic acid, glycolic acid, these two acids are known for exfoliating the skin. These two acids are known for helping with body pigmentation, body spots. If you are having dark knuckles, dark elbows, dark bum, keratosis, pilaris, which is chicken skin, and all of this, if you're having all of those body issues, these two body lotions can help you with it. Now, let's talk about those that say that they use this particular body lotion for evening out of their skin and for brightening their skin, and the reason why it is not working for you that is using it for that purpose. Now, the people that are using it that it lighten their skin or it brighten their skin, now I would like to tell you that these people, number one, these are not dark people, because some of you are going to watch videos of people and you want to get the same results they got, and you are forgetting the complexion part. Now, if I use a particular body lotion and a body lotion that says it is an exfoliating body lotion, and over time I get brightening effect, it is because that particular body lotion exfoliated the dead skin cells and then it revealed my natural bright fair skin. Do you understand? Alpha Renewal body lotion, Amlactin body lotion, these two body lotions do not lighten the skin. They do not even brighten the skin. They don't have that capacity to brighten up your skin. A lot of darker skin people misunderstand brightening and lightening. They jam two of them together. So when I come out and say I use Amlactin and it brightened my skin, it does not mean that Amlactin is a brightening body lotion, or that Amlactin or Alpha Renewal body lotion is a lightening body lotion. It is none of those. It is an exfoliating body lotion. I got a brighter skin, I got a lighter skin using Amlactin or using Alpha Renewal body lotion because I am a fair person. It exfoliated the dead skin cells. Once those were out, my skin now revealed its original complexion, if that makes sense. Now, you as a darker skin person, as a caramel skin person, if you go ahead and use Amlactin body lotion, Alpha Renewal body lotion, with the purpose or with the mind of getting the same fair skin that I got, you are going to be making a big mistake. You understand? You are making a mistake because you're not going to get the result. It is going to exfoliate your skin quite all right, but it is not going to brighten your skin. It is going to reveal a plumper, glowing dark skin or brown skin or whatever skin complexion that you are. Does that make sense? If it does, kindly hit the like button of this video. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am beautiful Jenny. Welcome to the channel. I am a passionate skincare consultant who is here to help you to understand your skin better, to get the skin complexion of your dream. I also offer one-on-one skin consultation. If you want to talk to me personally, hit me up on WhatsApp. Please send a message, and this service is not free. I help you to build a sustainable skincare routine. If you have any skin challenges I can give that you feel you need professional advice on, yes, you can also book a one-on-one consultation for that. I also have several videos on here that you can watch and help yourself. My videos has helped thousands of people on here on YouTube. So welcome to the family. Consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, because I know this video is going to help a lot of people. Now, let's talk about these two body lotions for body pigmentation, clearing of dark spots, clearing of dark pigmentations on the body. Yes, it actually helps with those particular things. Now, I am going to be joining these two things together. That's the body lotion and the exfoliating body wash. That's Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. Now, the honest truth is that when you are targeting body pigmentation, that is dark spots on the body, scars on the body, chicken skin, that is keratosis pilaris. When you are targeting that kind of skin issue, people's skin differ, and how long you have had that skin issue also plays a role. If you have a new scar on your body that just got pigmented, if you use Amlactin or Alpha Renewal, it is going to work faster than you that has had a pigmentation for years, 5 years, 10 years. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. In fact, you can use it for 1 year. It has not worked for you. So a lot of people's skin have different tolerance. Some people's skin takes time to actually absorb a particular product and show results. So you need to use these things consistently and also use them in combination. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. Now, for some people, using only Alpha Renewal body lotion consistently will work for them. For some people, using Alpha Renewal body lotion consistently will not work for them. Now, what will work for you is when you use Alpha Renewal body lotion or Amlactin body lotion with an exfoliating body wash like the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. So if you have used any of these body lotions and it didn't seem to remove the body pigmentation you are having, it didn't seem to work, buy it again and buy it with the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. Buy it, use it consistently again. I'm still going to give you another tip that you are going to add. Use it like that and you are going to surely see a difference in your skin. Now, how are you going to use it? you are going to have specific days in the week you can use it, like something like Amlactin. A lot of people's skins tolerate Amlactin every day. I have people that use Amlactin every night and it is not harsh on their skin. It doesn't give them any dryness. For some people, they use it every day and they get dry skin. Do you understand? So you need to actually use it and know what your skin can tolerate. So when you get it, you start from twice a week. The first week, use it twice a week. The third week, use it 3 times a week. Keep building up the momentum like that until you find how your skin can tolerate it. Now, if you are joining it with the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash, you train your skin like that, like have a routine for it. It's mostly best used at night. Okay, so at night you use your Amlactin or the Alpha Renewal, whichever one you feel. Now, if you have a more sensitive skin, I would suggest you go for Amlactin because lactic acid is more gentle, is more suitable for people that have sensitive skin. But if you know you have a more stubborn skin, then you can go for the Alpha Renewal body lotion that has glycolic acid, I think. Yeah, so you can go for that particular one. Do you understand? So you are now going to use it with the Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. Use them together and build up the momentum. So if you are doing your body lotion 2 times a week, you do Naturium 2 times a week. As you are increasing, you increase the body wash. So you are building your skin. Our skin works with momentum. It works with routine. Do you understand? Once you train your skin with a particular routine, it is going to master it and it is going to follow you up and you are going to start seeing results. Some people's skin takes 6 months to actually understand the routine you are working with and start giving you results. Some people's skin pick up routines very fast. So you will not use another person's result to gauge your skin. Give your skin time, give your skin space to breathe, and also be realistic with your expectations. That's why I first explained the first part of this video, how things work. So the result a fair person is going to get from a product or a routine is going to be different from the results you as a caramel skin person is going to get. Okay, so use these two products like this and you are going to see a better result. Now, if you want to clock this result, if you want to clock all of these results together to get that premium results that I'm talking about in today's video, it is to actually add a physical exfoliation to this particular routine. Now, this physical exfoliation, I am going to advise you make the body scrub yourself. You make the body scrub yourself. Okay? Now, why is physical exfoliation important when you are using chemical exfoliants? I've actually explained this in a previous video, like I casually mentioned this, but I was actually talking with a client that came for one-on-one skin consultation and she confirmed it. Like when I told, she was like, this is very true. This thing you just told me now is very true because it happened to me. Now, what is that? When you are using a chemical exfoliant, you also need to use a physical exfoliant. Now, let me explain how these things really work. If you are using a chemical exfoliator now, like a body lotion or a body wash that has either glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, benzo, whatever type of acid, salicylic acid, whatever type of exfoliant that it has. Do you know how it works? It works by raising up those dead skin cells. It's just like when you move into a new apartment and the tiles, the floor of the parlor or of the house is very, very dusty. Do you understand? Then you go and sprinkle water and soap or chemical, you sprinkle it on the floor and let that water with the chemical or with the detergent, whatever it is, to marinate that particular tiles. Now, when you use your mop and start scrubbing, you are going to scrub out those dirt faster than when you just go and carry mop and start mopping, or when you just carry that water and pour and start mopping immediately. I don't know if this makes sense, but this is what is going to make the difference for you. This is what is going to make Amlactin body lotion, Alpha Renewal body lotion, and Naturium Glycolic Acid body wash. This is what is going to make it work for you 100% using a physical expert. Now, when you start your routine, this is how you're going to use it. When you start that routine, you have built up the momentum. Use it the first week. Don't scrub your body. Leave out scrubbing. Use it that week. Use it the second week. The third week. That third week, pick out a day. So now, the exfoliating body lotion, the exfoliating body wash you have been using for the past 2 weeks, it has marinated your skin. It has lifted up all the dead skin cells. It has lifted them up. You are now going to use your body scrub. Pick out a very casual day. You are not in a hurry. Pick out that day and scrub your skin. You can do a simple body scrub. Get a cup, add sugar, whether white sugar, whether brown sugar. Add sugar, add a lot of honey. Okay, honey is very good and very important in this particular recipe. Add a lot of honey. If you have turmeric, add a little turmeric. If you have, add a little turmeric. If you don't have, you can skip it. All you need is that physical exfoliation. Do you understand? So sugar and honey is the main thing. Any other thing you have to add is extra. If you have a little bit of lemon, you just drop a little drop of it. If you have what else, maybe milk, I add milk to my homemade scrubs. You have milk, you can add a little bit of milk, and then you add a little bit of your body wash. Any body wash here can go. You can use any random body wash. If your Naturium body wash is too expensive to use, but if you can use your Naturium body wash, it's perfect. Add a little of your body wash so you can get that store-bought texture, so that when you are lathering, when you are exfoliating, it's going to lather. Do you understand? Now you are going to use that your homemade sugar scrub and exfoliate your body gently. Just take your time and do this exfoliation in circular method. By the time you do this ritual, you are going to see a great difference. Maintain this routine for 3 months. Come back to this video, save this video, download this video. However, you are going to see a difference between the first time you used Amlactin or Alpha Renewal or Naturium Glycolic Acid, the first time you used it, and this second time you are using it after watching this video. You are going to see a great difference in your skin. When you are scrubbing, focus on your problem areas, those chicken skin, the dark knuckles, the dark elbows, the dark knees, anywhere that you have your major issues. Focus on that particular place. Even when you are applying your body lotion, your Amlactin or your Alpha Renewal body lotion, focus on those places. Take time to massage in the product. All of these things matter. The way you apply your body lotion matters. So when you're using your Amlactin, be conscious. Don't just rub it like you are rubbing a normal body lotion. No, be intentional. When you reach those problem areas, those dark spots on your body or scars on your body, take time to rub it in. Take time to rub it in that place. Use a generous amount of the product, rub it in that place, and make sure that it absorbs very well before your body gets in contact with any fabric. Do you understand? So all of these things matter and they are very important. So this is how to use your Amlactin body lotion, your Alpha Renewal body lotion, and your Naturium Glycolic Acid body lotion to get the best out of it if it has not been working for you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider liking, sharing this video, leaving a comment in the comment section, and also subscribing to the channel. If you want a one-on-one consultation, I'll be waiting for you on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. Let's have a conversation in the comment section. Bye.